I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to increase the touch sensitivity of your Android device. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Display and Touch in this menu. Step 3. Swipe down to the Touch section and then tap Touch Sensitivity. Step 4. Find the Screen Protector Mode option and then tap to toggle it on if you want to increase the touch sensitivity on your Android device. This change will be effective immediately whether or not you have a screen protector installed on your device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.